Hello guys, today we'll be talking about the pen tool in Photoshop, and without no waste of time, let's go. And the pen tool, look at the pen tool here. Let me zoom in. This is the pen tool. They are of different types. Let's right click on them. You see, this is the pen tool itself, the free form pen tool. This is the curvature pen tool. This is the add anchor point. This is the delete point. This is the convert. So we'll be walking you through the steps one by one. So now if you select this pen tool now, let's see what you can do. So on selecting it, see the motion. Like if you are moving, look at you are trying to achieve a shape and then join together. This is how the pen tool works. This particular pen tool. You're trying to move, you want to get a particular given shape of your choice. That's how you can form that particular shape which you want. That's, for instance, that's one way. And then another way is, let's say you select this pen tool here, and then as you are moving, let's say you click move, that's your first move. You can move again. As you are moving, you slide in a bit, just slide. Then as you take off, you want to delete this particular move, this particular node here, press alternate and hold, delete it. And then you create another move again. You see how it creates another move, delete, press alternate and hold. It changes to the arrow pointer to click, delete that move. Move another one. You see how you want to fast track your move. You want it to be circular. And then here. So basically these are two ways of how you want your pen tool to be curvy in nature. I'm just giving you an adage of how you can work things out, basically. Then from here you can change the colors. Let's say you double click on this. Come here, double click on this particular shape here. When you double click here, you double click, the color section comes out. So you select any color you want to color it. So select, let's say you come to red color, you click on OK from here. This is one way. And then you have started your design. Design is all about shapes. You can be making your designs with these shapes like this. Then let's go to the next aspect of the pen tool. You right click on it. This is the free form pen tool. Let's delete this. Delete this other one. Select this free form. This free form works with you walking free. That's it. You can move around freely. You click and hold. For instance, you click and hold. We are drawing. We are trying to make a significant drawing. See how we are moving these two. You see, we join together. We have successfully formed a tool. For instance, we are trying to draw a bucket. You draw a bucket like this. And feel free to draw. Trying to draw a bucket like this. You see the movement. It's a free form. You are just trying to move. You can't be perfect in all. You can just try to achieve something. So that's the work of the free form pen tool. Let's delete this. Delete it. Let me take it to the next phase of this pen tool. We have the curvature. You right click there. This is the curvature pen tool. This curvature, basically, the curves are distinct. As you are moving, it gives you a complete circular curve. Join it. It tries to give you a complete circular curve. That is whatever that shape you want to draw, it gives you curves. Like, look, as you can see from here, it's curved completely. You can see. So curves are this. Let's readjust this. let's say you want a kidney shape, a bean shape, sorry. If we say kidney, it will not be it will not be appropriate because of this our diagram. So definitely this is. So if you want to get a very curved shape, then the curvature pen tool is actually for you. And then we want to talk about the other aspect. And then this add anchor, you can add a node from here. You want to add a node, double click here, you add it. You click here, you add. You click here, you add a node. 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 So you can add a node to a shape in order to help you move it. That's just it work. Click here, you add a node. You can extend it. Click here, add a node. You distort whatever you want to do, or you work in your preference. Then finally the last one, the convert point tool. You can click on it. You delete, you convert them to, if you click here, you convert them to a straight. You want it to be straight, you convert them to straight. Look at it, becomes straight. Anywhere you click, you disassemble a node, you convert them to a straight figure there. Click on it, convert, it becomes straight. You become straight there. Anywhere you click, it becomes straight. You get what I'm trying to say? So whatever you are doing and you use that tool, it converts the angle itself there to, it becomes straight, something straight if you don't want to have a curve. So that is that for the pen tool. This is just an introductory class. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial.